gaming. No, it's coding. Sorry. So we start from screen. So today we are gonna make an app on MIT App Inventor. So if you want to make an app, it's a very easy app. It's a very easy platform to make apps. So today I'm going to show one of the apps and I'm going to explain the code. So here we start, as you can see. Here we start. It's a COVID-19, it's a COVID-19 app, as you can see. Then I go and log in. So I don't remember the password. So I'll go on new user. Then I'll put my name. I put my email. And then I'll put the other thing. So just 1 second, guys. I go on password. I create a password. It's sensible. It can also save your passwords if you want. So I'll register, and then as you can see, I've registered, and now I'll log in. So now I put my email, and then I put my password. So here, as you can see, so I put the password, but now I have an element in this, change password. So I click on change password. Now. Enter your previous password. So I put my previous password, which is and then I put my new password, which is, and then I re-enter my password. So I've put all of the things. Now, as you can see, the things are done. So I go on entering my email. I change the password. So I'll just show you. I changed the password, so I'm going to log in now. So please enter register. I put my password. So I logged in now. So I change the screen and I take it to the dashboard now. So as you can see here, there is symptoms, precautions, statewide report, and world report. We start with symptoms, and here you can see it's a image. And then if you really want to these symptoms to go in your email, so enter your emails. I'll just put my email. I put it. Now I'll do it. I've done it. Now I go back and I go to precautions. As you can see, clean your hands often, cough or sneeze in your bend below, not your hands, avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth, limit social gatherings and time spent in crowded places. Avoid close contact with someone who's sick, clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Now I'm going statewide report. So I go, as you can see, it's an app I made inside it. So I type in Gurugram and let's see. So you can see the cases here. So, and now I'm going to go back to world report. So as you can see here, the world report. So now let's move on. Now I'll explain the code. Just 1 second. Yeah. So now I explain the code. I'm in blocks, so I explain the code first. Screen 1. Then so it's just like the timer. you just have to put a timer to open the screen name, which is login screen. And then on login screen, you try, it opens another screen, which is register screen. Then when login.click, which means if the email text, which is 0, then it shows a notifier that please enter our email. Password.text is also empty and it also shows the same alert. Please enter your password. And if email.text equals call, that means that it will call the tiny DB, which, so the email will be, the tag will be email and value tag not there will be 0. Password.text equals tinydb, which I'll again call and I'll put the tag as password and value tag not there. Maybe nothing. And then after that, open another screen name dashboard. Call notifier, please enter register. It will show if it's not registered. And the button 3, open another screen named change password. Okay. So now we go on to the now I go on to the change password screen. So here I put the password. I do everything here. I just put like the boxes and I put the notifiers, and that's what it is in the screen. And if it's done, you show a notice, verified everything, and go back to login screen. So it's a very simple code. Then you go back to dashboard. We go back to dashboard. So in dashboard, when we click symptoms, it has to open another screen, which is symptom screen, which you just saw. Then precautions will be precaution screens, and the statewise report open another screen with the start while screen name statewise report. We could not make an app, so we put it from a link from the browser, and I put it as the start value. World report will also be the same, but just a different website. So now we go back. Now we go to symptoms screen. Symptoms is very easy, I would say. We start activity, and then we go to Android of intent action.view. Then we set activity starter 1 to data URI to join mail to, which is the mail, and then the box which I mailed that to. So then after that the text box 1, subject equals COVID symptoms. So the body, there will be 5 labels because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there will be precaution symptoms. So that's why the 5 labels, and then I'll call the activity starter to start the activity. And the button 2 will be to the dashboard, which is back. Now I go to precaution screen. Precautions is just very easy. It's just the screen, and it's just to open another screen name because it's just one code. In that part, this is just a picture. This is just a picture from a website. So we don't have to code that much in the precaution screen. Now I go back to change. I go back to report screen, and I don't have to code anything because it's a picture. And I go to world report. It's just statewise report. We have to call the web viewer and go to URL, which is in the start value, and then we call the button, which reloads the page. And then we have another one which is back, which guides us back to the dashboard again. So now we have the world report one. Then we call the URL again and get the start value from there, and the call web viewer one, and then also do the same. And then there's a back button which goes to the dashboard. So I think that's it for the video. Keep watching, like and subscribe to our channel. Give a big like and turn post notifications on. See you in the next video. Bye guys.